Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name: black color, blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets and numbers. First we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use black color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids again use black color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw numbers, and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use blue color. O N E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T W 2. Kids now draw 3, and again use blue color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.